This is the last of my cucumber juice. I'm so inspired. I'm gonna make for you today. We're gonna experiment together. I'm gonna make cucumber carrot drink. I'm gonna mix the same bowl. So the ingredients are carrot, cucumber, granulated sugar or white sugar or brown sugar, and ginger, about an ounce. So just visit my website, look down there so for the blend. Carrot cucumber drink. So now make sure your cucumber is peeled properly. I already did all of that, and stripped. You don't have to dice it because the blender gonna do all the dicing for you. And the carrot, make sure the carrots are clean, the bottom is cut off, the bottom and the top, and clean them off properly and rinse them. So once that is completed, just put that on. Where's my lid? I just had it. Where did I put it? I gotta look for the lid. Oh, it's in there. Alright, so let's add the water and blend. First carrot. Gotta blend it well. After about 2 minutes of blending, you gotta blend it very well. We're gonna strain it now. I'm using the same bowl that I had in the fridge. I'm just gonna use it. Some man operate sometimes. Strain it to get all this fruit in. Let's clean it here. Can allow it to run out. Alright, just compress it. So this juicy. Squeeze the juice out. This is So squeeze it out. Alright, so once you do that, you just throw this out. I'll put this in the garden. Alright. Now we're going to add some sugar. Let's start granulating these. Make sure you have the sugar and stirring. See, I added some sugar, but I don't have to be the kitchen. See there? Add the sugar and stirring. Alright, taste it, see if it's sweet to your liking. It look like carrot juice mix, but blend, but sweeten it with brown sugar. The cucumber give it a dark look, a dark shade. Oh, lime. I'm gonna forget something. We need some lime. Spoil. So rinse these off and roll them like this. Kind of get the juice going. I forgot to say you're gonna need some lime. See how easy this come out? Squeeze it out. Alright. See this? Rotten. Let me see how good it is. In Jamaica, that's what we do, you know. When something have a little sour, we'll cut it off and see and use the rest of it. That's conserving. So this is good. I'm just gonna use this. Alright, so have to squeeze up, have to squeeze. Wow, now the lime give a good nice, like a little white shade. This is pretty. This is beautiful. Let's taste it. Wow. Carrot. This tastes nice. So let's cover it and put it in the fridge. Clean up your area. stir this in. The carrot cucumber drink. We're gonna sample it together. Oh, that's my book, JamaicaDinners.com. Add your ice. Alright, let's see. Yeah, the taste is good. It's just, I can't even find a word to describe this. Look at the color. I can't even, you know what? Try it and you tell me how it tastes. It have a limey taste, like a lime cucumber carrot taste. What I can say though, it's very refreshing. Look at it, they have a beautiful color, like a white. This would be good for Sunday dinner. I'm trying to think of something to say and I cannot. It just tastes nice. That's all I have to say. I wanted to say it reminded me of fruit punch earlier, but I didn't. And after taking the second glass and I'm drinking it again, it reminds me of fruit punch, but without the red, like the cherry or the strawberry or whatever. So it's like fruit punch without those stuff, but have a fruit punch taste, but not sweet as fruit punch. Fruit punch is just too sweet. I don't like fruit punch. I would drink this. It's nice. So this is like fruit punch without the cherry or the strawberry.